sweep me off of my feet. If we could just